To record standard voice in Samsung Galaxy S10, open voice recorder, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then find voice recorder. If you use default themes, tap Samsung folder, voice recorder in Samsung folder, and then tap voice recorder. Select standard to record standard voice, and then to start you can tap record icon on a big dot red. Okay, if you tap this icon you can start recording. Okay, you can start now, and recording play. To pause, tap pause icon, or to stop or save, tap stop icon. Okay, save recording. To save, enter your voice recording name, and then select save to save. Okay, to show your record tab list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.